Hi, my name is Massi. Since August 2011, I've been riding around the world with my fantastic Honda Africa Twin RD04 from 1992. I'd like to share with you guys my experience with this bike, this awesome bike, what I did to improve the performances of the bike, what I use as luggages, what devices I put on it. So starting from the front wheel, everything is original, forks, brakes. I got a protector for the front lights, homemade. I got an extra light that I used to put right here. The thing is that it would touch with the mud guard, so I put it back on the original place where it was. I got a protection for the tank. What else? A small toolbox here in the front. I got a higher windshield. I got also a shield for the grips. Hot grips that are very useful in cold temperature. Love them. Really, really love them. Is the control. This is a GPS holder. This is also the voltage control, yeah, to check if the battery is working well. This is the switch for the front light. What else? Yeah, this is very robust. These are some side bags which are usually used for the back of the motorbike, but I adapted them and modified them to fit over there, and these are my idea and I'm very proud of it. I got an extension for the side stand, central stand, of course, tank bag. I also have a saddle bag, uh, side cases, top case. This is reinforced for the support of the cases. And not to forget, I also have a 12V power outlet, of course. Here I got my tent. Another thing very important, the voltage regulator, the tension regulator is over here, is bigger, is a different model than the original one, much powerful, so I won't have any problem traveling with all the lights on and with the hot grips as well. This is a weak part of the motorbike. Another thing that you always have to check with the Africa Twin is the fuel pump, and this is a valve for the rear suspension to recharge it without any problem. So let's have a better look about all my equipment. Let's see what's inside the front bags. On the left one, let's see, this is a air tube. These are the tools to change them. Homemade stand to raise the front wheel. Sticky tape, soap for the tubes, and this is my kit to clean the transmission chain, and a hat, of course, to work under the sun. Let's see now what we have on the other one, on the right one. This is the manual. This is to check the pressure of the tires, the air pump system. What else? Another air tube. And of course I got the cover to waterproof covers for these bags. Let's see what's inside the tank bag. This is for geolocalization. This is my first aid kit. the camera that I'm recording with. This is a bite, earplugs. These are the glasses to drive at night, and these are helmet glasses as well, really cool ones. Let's see what we got here. There's a mat. This is my beauty case with brushes, toothpaste, and so on. What else do we have? All the documents for me and for the motorbike as well. I got a machete as well. And there's a computer to keep myself connected with the world. Here I also have sun protection screen and mosquito protection cream. And of course I also have a cover, waterproof cover for this bag as well. But I want to get rid of this bag to lower the center of gravity of the motorbike, so I have to put everything on the sides. Now let's see what's inside the toolbox. On the central one, that it's really dirty, we got a lot of stuff, pliers, hammer, different wrenches, very useful but very heavy. Let's see on the sides. Let's open up this one. We got a lot of stuff. These are for the helmet, tube, syringe. This filter for the fuel, fuses, sponge. This is for the oil filter. What we have here. This is for the fuel pump. Here we got the funnel. These are just spare parts. This is the CDI, the apron of the motorbike. Very expensive, but better to get one. Here I got bolts, nuts, screws, different sizes. This is the glue. Here I have these gaskets. These are stickers for the sponsors. Other glue. These are all the codes for the spare parts for the motorbike, and these are spare parts for the carburetors as well. There it is. This is my tent. Let's see what we have on the other side. Okay, so we have some oil, engine oil, WD-40. This is some water for the radiator. This is for some fast reparation, never used. These are some cables for the clutch system and the accelerator as well. And on the bottom of this case I got all the levers for the feet and for the hands as well, and also the risers. And this is a waterproof bag where I have my sleeping bag. As mentioned before, here are all the levers, very heavy ones. And in this bag, which fits inside the case, I got all my motorbike stuff, such as anti-rain jacket and winter stuff as well. On the top case I have an empty bottle, a chain. What else? Here I got everything when I go camping outside. Let's see what's inside. We got some napkins, plastic bag, kit to clean the water. This tool knife. What we got here? Headlight, very useful one. These are monocular, never used, and a compass as well. And of course, not to mention the chemical lights as well. This is for the rain. The gas stove at the moment is missing, but I'm sure you guys know how it is. So in this case I got all my personal stuff, such as shoes, flip-flops, my towels, all my jeans and t-shirts and stuff, everything for me is over there. All the rest is just for the motorbike, spare parts, tools, and just stuff for traveling around and riding. So this is my luggages. This is all my setup for the bike, for traveling. Pretty much I got everything I need. Also a little bit too much. I'm really happy if any one of you guys want to send me some tips, some comments. This is my setup, but doesn't mean that after 3 years I cannot change it, I cannot improve it, or I cannot reduce a little bit the weight of the bike, because like this is around 50-60 kilos plus the water, so it's a lot. The bike is doing pretty well considering the mass that it's taking and is carrying. But yeah, let me know your impressions, your ideas, and please follow me on www.australiatwin.at. I got a diary over there, and I'm trying to share with everyone the impression of my trip, some pictures, some videos, and yeah, let's have some fun together. Ciao!